Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with an iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this smartband with an iPhone in two ways. The first method is to do it during the setup process of the smartband. Basically, if the smartband is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second method is to do it through the settings after the smartband has been already set up. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, let's continue with the pairing. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smartband, and you can do it by pressing and holding the button right here. After you turn on the smartband, you will see the hello message if your smartband is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. Once you see the message, tap on the screen and this should open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down. Now select the language you like to use and then tap on the check mark to confirm and enter the pairing mode. Now the smartband is in the pairing mode. This means we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the iPhone. Then open the App Store. And in the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And then tap search. On the list you should see this application, Garmin Connect. You can tap on the get button right here to install it, or tap on the app and then tap on get button, depending on what you prefer. Download and install the application. And after it's done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you may get pop-up about the Bluetooth. Tap on OK. This needs to be allowed, so tap on OK. And then you will see the login page. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account and make a new one. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in right here to log in. Check the box, tap next, and then enter the email and password. Then tap on next to log in. And after you log in, you may get a pop-up about the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smartband, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And then you will see that the app automatically detected your smartband. If it didn't for some reason, you can try pressing and holding the button right here until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. This should basically force restart your smartband, and then you need to select the language again and enter the pairing mode, and hopefully it will fix your problems. And once the app detects your smartband, tap on the connect or connected and then enter the code from the smartband like this and tap on pair. Here you can allow or deny the permission for the notifications again. I'm gonna just allow it. And right here, we can select the smartband, the Vivosmart 5, as a preferred device. Basically, I have one more device connected to this iPhone and it's asking us if we want to use it as preferred device. I'm gonna tap on replace. Or rather, not to iPhone. I think it's to the account. So I have more than one device connected to my account. That's why it's asking me which device should be preferred one. And once it's done, you can tap on next. Here we can set up a bedtime, basically the time on which you're going to bed to sleep and the time on which you wake up. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So you can tap on the bedtime, set the bedtime to whatever you want. Then wake time, set it to whatever you want. And once you're done, you can tap on next. And here you can select if you want to enable Do Not Disturb mode during sleep or disable it. If you tap on no, it's gonna be disabled. If you tap on yes, it's gonna be turned on. And right here we can select activities, and you can do it by basically tapping on them. You can select up to 10 activities, and then you can change it also in the settings of the smartband later on. So select the ones you like and then tap on next. Here we can select the preferred wrist, left or right, and then tap next. And right here we can edit some goals like steps, water intake and stuff like that. If you want to do it, tap on edit my goals. If you want to skip this step, tap on skip. I'm gonna tap on edit my goals. As you can see here we have steps, fluid intake and intensity minutes per week, and you can tap on the boxes and adjust the values to your liking like that. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Right here we can allow the permission for the location. So basically if you want to track your activities like running, cycling, so basically your route when you're running or cycling, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Next we have calendar access. If you want to receive the notifications about the calendar events and stuff like that on your smartband, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you can tap on Sync Now and then Finish. And here we have the tutorial how to use the smartband. We can go through it by tapping on Next, and then we can tap on Finish. Now we can tap on No Thanks, tap on Got It, and you should see the My Day page of the application. Once you tap on More right here, if you tap on the More icon, it will open the menu. You can tap, or rather scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Vivosmart 5 on the list of devices right here. And you can tap on it to open the device page for it. Okay, so that's how you pair the smartband during the setup process. Now, I'm gonna unpair it from our iPhone. Like this. Go to the Bluetooth settings, remove it from Bluetooth. Like this. And once we unpaired it, we can now enter the pairing mode through the settings. So let's open the menu on our smartband. You can do it by pressing the button right here. Once you open the menu, scroll through it, find the option called Settings and tap on it. And here find the option called Phone. This one. And tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called Pair Phone. And if you tap on it, your smartband will enter the pairing mode. Now, you can download and install the Garmin Connect application and repeat the steps as we did before, but we already have an application, so I'm gonna open it and tap on this Add button right here. Come on, like this. And as you can see, the app detected our smartband. We can tap on Connect it and basically did the same steps, or do the same steps as we did before. So we can tap this, enter the code right here, tap on Pair, allow the permissions, you can replace it again, tap next, bedtime, activities, wrist, goals, and then permissions, but we already allowed them and we didn't uninstall the application, so we don't need to do them. And once you tap on skip sync, or rather sync now and then finish, you will see the tutorial. You can skip it now, and after the tutorial your smartband should be paired with your iPhone. Like this. Okay, and that's how you pair this smartband with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.